Hello everyone, welcome to my 5 minutes live from California with love. Kumusta po kayo? Here's a song titled Virginia Home for Lovers. Words by Florentina, Echalar, Sipin. Music by yours truly. And arranged by Erickson, Gubac, Paulo. Let's go, my dear, into Virginia, the place where I first saw you. Reminisce those sweet moments, happy moments we'll never forget. In Busch Gardens I was walking, and I met you, sweetly smiling. How far Blue Ridge Mountains, I asked you. You said, sir, only a few miles from here. Virginia, home for lovers, the people say, the place where our love has started. That up until now it is still warm and has never faded. Virginia, home for lovers, the people say, you are part of our sweet love story. You will never be forgotten. Virginia, home for lovers, the people say. We'll swing by the Norfolk Naval Base, the biggest so far. Then we will go strolling by the Virginia Beach ocean front. The Virginia moon will follow us, then we will sit on the sand. We will watch the ocean waves as if they are racing. Virginia, home for lovers, the people say, the place where our love has started. That up until now it is still warm and has never faded. Virginia, home for lovers, the people say, you are part of our sweet love story. You will never be forgotten. Virginia, home for lovers, the people say. July 24, Virginia Beach. Please join us. Gusto ko po kayong makita, mayakap, makamayan, at maharana. We will also go shopping at Norfolk Premium Outlet, and then we go and eat at Alexander's by the Bay. Virginia, home for lovers, the people say, the place where our love has started. That up until now it is still warm and has never faded. Virginia, home for lovers, the people say, you are part of our sweet love story. You will never be forgotten. Virginia, home for lovers, the people say, you will never be forgotten. Virginia. people say. Thanks for watching. July 20 po. Please join us.